If this isn't perfectly straight, everything we build after today is wrong.
Yo, welcome back to Living Lucky Off Grid. So today, guys, we got to finish widening up these last couple holes in the center of the plot. We got our sonotubes. We're gonna get these things put in the ground. We're gonna try to level them up, get them straightened up. We don't got them all today. We got a couple, at least get all the four corners kind of straight, kind of get it where we want. Ready, prepared for concrete, baby. I don't know what's gonna happen, but hey, it's the next step forward. So tag along with us and watch us get these sonotubes put in the ground to get our foundation started. Let's go. So as of now, as you can see, we have all of the outside holes completely dug at 12 inches wide for our sonotubes. So the only thing that we got left is these holes. We already dug them out, guys, but I need to get them widened up to 12 inches so that way we can get our sonotubes in there.
And this is where everything almost fell apart. Take a look.
Oh, there's a whole... Oh, try now, Pawpaw. Oh, bro. Fucking made a U-turn. Yep. One, two, three. dudes, we got the holes done, man. So if you want to take a look with me, guys. So right here are my holes. All 30 holes are completely dug. Now, it is time to put in the sonotubes into the ground. So here's the plan. So one, I got to take this sonotube. I got to cut it in half to 2 foot. This is a 4 foot sonotube that I got. So we're going to cut these sonotubes in half, 2 foot, and we're going to get them into the ground. We're going to level them off. We're going to put a level on the first one. We're going to start in a corner, have a control point, and then we're going to go from there. We're going to run a line, run a string, and we're going to get it level, because if we don't get these level, everything else from here on out is crooked. It's not going to be straight. It's going to eventually fall over. So we have to make sure the concrete, the foundations are level, no matter what. So that's the plan. So we're going to start with the corner. We're going to take these, we're going to cut them in half, and then we're going to get them in the ground. So let's stop talking. Let's get to it. We're going to start at that front corner, front left corner if you're facing the home. We're going to start with the front left corner. We're going to get this one set up. This will be our control corner. We're going to get it in there. We're going to get it leveled and get it all perfectly into the ground the way I want it. And then all the other ones will feed off of this one. So we'll run a string, run a level across them all as we set them, 1 row at a time. All right, guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm marking my 2 foot for my sonotubes. I am going to cut them at 2 foot, and then I'm going to set them in each hole. Beautiful. Oh, Mama. Yes, sir. Look, look. Bubbles, baby. good. That's good.
Stupid, you're a coward and
Yo, guys. So we got 12 of the sonotubes in. Let's go. That's another successful day at the off-grid paradise, buddy. So, recap. We got 12 of the 30 sonotubes in. We got 18 more left. I'm going to go get those this week. We'll come back this weekend. We'll set those. Then we got to figure out how we're going to do concrete. So that's the plan. I'm going to need about 4.5 yards. Hopefully it's not too crazy expensive. But yeah, dude, it's the hard part's over. I really feel like digging these holes is a pain in my ass. And I really believe that's the hardest part. I don't mind really lifting anything. I just despise digging holes. I don't like it. I don't like it. No, I don't. Not even a smidgen. I don't like it. But yeah, dudes, if you made it this far in the video, please make sure you hit that like. Go subscribe. Go follow if you're not following. Leave a comment down below. And hopefully you guys will see us in the next video. Let's go.